Imagine getting top-quality medical care while saving thousands of dollars and enjoying a mini vacation. Sounds too good to be true? Welcome to the world of medical tourism in Mexico. Are you tired of sky-high medical bills in the US? What if I told you that you could get the same procedures for up to 80% less just by crossing the border? Stay tuned to discover how Mexico is revolutionizing healthcare for Americans and people worldwide. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join thousands of smart travelers saving big on their medical expenses. Let's dive into the numbers. On average, medical treatments in Mexico can be up to 80% cheaper than in the United States. This isn't just a small difference. We're talking about potentially saving tens of thousands of dollars on a single procedure. But why is it so much cheaper? There are several factors contribute. 1. Low cost of living in Mexico. 2. Lower salaries for medical professionals. 3. Favorable currency exchange rates. 4. Lower malpractice insurance costs for doctors. 5. High-volume discounts for specialized services. Let's look at some specific procedures. Starting with dental work. A dental crown in the US. $1,200 in USA and $230 in Mexico. Full dentures in the US cost around $5,000. In Mexico, it is mere $700s. Take the case of heart surgery. 1. Bypass surgery in the US can set you back $123,000. In Mexico, it is only $27,000. Heart valve replacement, $170,000 in the US versus $28,200 in Mexico. Think about the orthopedic procedures. 1. Hip replacement, $40,000 in the US, but only $1,200 in Mexico. 2. Knee replacement, $35,000 in the US compared to $2,500 in Mexico. Do not ignore the weight loss surgery. 1. Gastric sleeve, $19,000 in the US versus $4,000 in Mexico. 2. Gastric bypass, $25,000 in the US, but only $5,195 in Mexico. If you are interested in cosmetic procedures, 1. Breast implants, $600 in the US compared to $3,800 in Mexico. 2. Rhinoplasty, $12,000 in the US versus $2,800 in Mexico. Let us now look into the quality of care. Now, you might be wondering, cheaper, sure, but what about quality? Great question. Many healthcare professionals in Mexico have received partial training in the US, and many continue their education in the US or Europe. The quality of care in major Mexican medical tourism destinations is often reported to be comparable to that in the US. In fact, many Mexican hospitals are accredited by the same organizations that accredit US hospitals, ensuring they meet international standards. Let us compare cost with other countries. While Mexico offers significant savings compared to the US, it's also competitive with other popular medical tourism destinations. Here are some competitive figures. 1. India and Thailand generally have slightly higher costs than Mexico for most procedures. 2. Costa Rica's prices are often close to Mexico's, but still tend to be higher. 3. Canada and Australia have lower costs than the US, but are significantly more expensive than Mexico. From dental work to heart surgery, Mexico offers substantial savings on a wide range of medical procedures without compromising on quality. It's no wonder that thousands of Americans are choosing to combine their medical needs with a Mexican getaway. Remember, always do your research, consult with your doctor, and choose accredited facilities for the best and safest experience.